Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you exceptional recipe from Australian kitchen. So today we are gonna share with you Australian chicken recipe, guys. And if you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need, first of all, vegetable oil. We are gonna use 3 tablespoons. We are gonna use mustard, in total 3 tablespoons, guys. Then we are gonna use mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons, guys. And we are gonna use honey, in total 3 tablespoons. Then guys, we are gonna have, this is for 2 person, so we are gonna use approximately 400 grams of chicken fillet. If you have bigger family, you can count accordingly. Then here I've got around 150 grams of mushrooms. Then guys, we're gonna need cheese, it's 100 grams. And we are coming to our most beloved spices, guys. So for the spices, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, and red sweet pepper, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with seasoning our chicken fillet, guys. Guys, for the seasoning, I'm gonna use salt, black pepper, and red sweet pepper, guys. Just mix them all up and start seasoning. So what I do is I'm just gonna spread it around the chicken fillet, then flip it over and keep seasoning more. Chicken. And we'll let it, guys. Guys, let's start cooking. We are gonna open fire on the highest level, and we are gonna use vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons, guys. So 1, 2, and 3. If you have a tray like this, guys, it will be good. If you don't have this kind of tray, you can use different type of tray. Just make sure that your bowl is prepared ahead. Guys, our oil is hot now, so it means it's time for the chicken fillet. We have seasoned the chicken fillet. What you do is you carefully place them here. So guys, each side shall be cooked approximately 4 minutes. During the 4 minutes, just keep in mind, when you start seeing the whiteness in this part, then you start flipping. You can press on them, that's totally fine. Meanwhile, we are gonna prepare sauce for the chicken. So this is 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons of mustard, 4 spoons of mayonnaise. In total, 3 tablespoons of honey, because the cup of the honey was really tiny. I'm using the tiny. When you see that your chicken is red and brown like this, Then you see the white part at the side, start cooking them also like this. Just keep them for 3-5 seconds and they will keep turning red. This is how I cook the sides. After that, we are gonna take our chicken fillet into our bowl or any tray that you have, and we place them. We have left, we are gonna add our mushrooms. We've just chopped all of the mushroom in thin slices, and we are gonna fry our mushrooms here. We are gonna saute our mushrooms. So I do not like to waste anything, so remember the seasoning that I've used for the chicken. Here I've got salt, black pepper, and red sea pepper. This is the left out seasoning, which I'm gonna use here for the mushrooms. Guys, this is the special sauce that we've prepared for our Aussie chicken recipe. So here I've got 3 tablespoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 3 tablespoons of honey, guys. Afterwards, you just mix them and make sure that they become creamy like this. You see, guys? After you've mixed them well and it has the creamy texture, what you do is first you place this mixed sauce on top of your chicken. First of all, make sure it covers your chicken. Make sure you add them into the bowl. That's it, guys. Guys, this is the seasoned salted mushrooms, and we are gonna now carefully place them on top of our chicken. You cover your chicken with the salted mushrooms, guys. Afterwards, it's time for our shredded cheese. So what we do, we just take our cheese and we are gonna place them on top of this beauty. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Have you ever been in love with this type of food? Gosh, I think I'm in love with the food. Look at this beauty. Chicken becomes like Antarctica or something. 15 minutes. It's ready, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, you can serve your Australian chicken, this beautiful beauty with the Korean side dish. I've prepared cucumber Korean side dish. You may find this also recipe in my videos. And I'm wishing you to enjoy this meal, and let us know in the comments what do you think about this recipe, or do you have any favorite recipe of chicken? Let me know in the comments and I will give you feedback, guys. Thank you for watching our videos, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice cozy evening, guys. Bye bye.